Hello class, welcome to University Writing, Persuasive and Argumentative Essays. I'm your teacher, Daniel Current, but my students often call me Mr. Dan. For the past 10 years I've been teaching both written and spoken communication at the university level. In that time I've helped thousands of students from around the world strive to achieve their dream of becoming a successful American university student, by aiding them in bridging the gap between their educational and linguistic backgrounds and the skills needed to excel in higher education. Over the years, I've noticed that students that struggle with academic communication all seem to have the same issues. There is a large gap of knowledge between the simple reports students are taught to write in high school and foreign language classes and the complex academic arguments the students are expected to form in almost every university class. This gap of knowledge often results in wasted time and money because students are forced to repeat classes to improve their grades. Because of this, I have devoted a large part of my professional career developing materials to help students understand exactly what they need to do using simple English and easy-to-understand concepts. Students will learn the parts of an academic argument and the relationships with each other. This course will show students a simple system of forming academic arguments. Then, this course will show how to tailor those arguments to fit the student's specific subject, topic, target audience, and purpose of writing. Finally, this class will focus on how to maximize the effects of the arguments on their audience. With these skills, students will be producing powerful and compelling arguments with clearly expressed ideas and logic. This course is designed for anyone preparing to enter into an American university writing class, or a university class that requires academic writing. It will help anyone who struggles to write at the university level, regardless of their vocabulary or knowledge of academic writing. This class will help students to improve their grades the first time and every time they are faced with creating an academic argument. Please check out the rest of the course. I look forward to seeing you in class. Thanks for watching.